Hello to all you great people out there. I'm really chuffed with the amount of views I've had on the channel. The subscriptions have gone up, the subscribers have gone up, and I can't thank you enough. Now, I just wanted to say this last video is wash clean ACF 50 of the KTM, and it will be the last one before Christmas. So the next one after that is going to be the end of the year, 3-4 days after Christmas, I think is the Sunday anyway. So thank you so much. I hope you all have a really good Christmas and of course a happy new year. We'll speak to you after this video goes out in a week's time, so that'll be after Christmas. All right, thanks again. Lots of love to you all. Good luck. Okay. Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a winterizing of this bike. So if you're interested in that, stick around. I'm going to show you what I do. We're going to involve spraying it, cleaning, drying, and then we're going to put on some ACF 50. If you're not certain what that is, stick by and we'll show you. So what I'm putting on now is a pre-wash. Cuts into all the dirt and the grime. We leave it to soak for a minute and then we wash it off and we put the soap on, the snow foam. Okay, so that's been on for a few minutes now. We're going to wash it off. Okay, so that's the pre-wash done, washed off. Now we're going to put on the snow foam. Okay, so with all that washed, it's been on there a couple of minutes. We've brushed it all. Most of the snow foam has come off. You have this little plastic thing, little bag over the end can. That stops it filling with water. Although there is a drain hole on it. But so for those people, if you haven't got one of these, this is a pet dryer. If you haven't got one, highly recommend it. Gets rid of so much water. If you haven't got one, this can go to different strengths when it's blowing, and you can also put heat in it as well. Whatever you do to your bike to dry it off with a rag, I can guarantee you'll get more out of it when you use this. If it was me, I'd say save up and get one. We might even start it up to get a bit of heat in it, and then it goes back in the garage. That's where it's going any second now. It's been here for a little while. Now it's time to put it in. Okay, so it's had the wash. We're now going to start it up, put it in the drive, get it on the con stand, lift it up, wrap the towels, and then we'll ACF 50 it, and you'll see what we do then. Okay, it's in the shed, it's had its wash. Now we're going to cover the wheels because we don't want to get ACF 50 on any of this. Okay, so ACF 50 comes either in spray can like this or in a pump like this, and it's anti-corrosion. It's also suitable for using around electrics. It doesn't conduct electricity, which is a good thing. You can spray it all over, and what I'm going to do is spray the whole bike, leave the seats, the tyres, the grips on the bars, anywhere where I want to leave it so it's not slippy or it's not repelling water. I'm going to leave, but all the frame, engine, springs, anywhere I can get to without touching the others, that's what I'm going to put on here. So they've been in some warm water, and the idea is the warm water just makes them a little bit thinner, so when it comes to spray it now, it'll actually spray a lot easier. So we'll start here and I'll just show you what I'm doing. So that's the pump. And this, not much left in here, but this is the and you can see I'm actually putting quite a bit on here because it stays on here until I give it 24 hours, and then I come and spray, clean it all off. It can go over paintwork, it can go over metal, and then when I come to take it off, I get a clean cloth, just wipe the whole thing down, and then start the engine. It'll burn off from the hot places around the engine and the exhaust. It'll burn off and anything else will be left. It only has to be thin, but it's good enough to do the job. So that's that. ACF 50, wash, dry, spray with ACF 50, leave for 24 hours and then wipe down. Just keep the stuff off your tyres really as much as anything. Everything else is fairly okay. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed that. If you have, give me a subscribe, a like, and let's keep this channel going. So, be good. Be safe. We'll see you on the road.